Hello viewers, welcome to another project demo by Project Maker. In this video I will be showing you demo of my tic-tac-toe game which I created using Java. So I would like to inform you that I have created a Cross and Nuts game using Android Studio. So if you want to create the game using Android Studio, please click on the I button above. So without wasting any time, let's move to this project demo. So as you can see on the screen, there are 5 files available. So first of 4 files is of images and another is a notepad file of Java. I will be running this program using CMD. So I will open this notepad file now in front of you. So this is the entire code of my project. As you can see, this is approx. So this is approx 220 lines. So if you want to make your own Java tic-tac-toe game, you can just message me on Instagram. I will be happy to send you this code. So let's close this notepad file now. I will just run this file using JDK 1.7. So to run this file, we have to copy paste the entire data in bin of JDK 1.7. So I will just select all data, click copy and just open. I will just open bin of JDK 1.7 here, and I will just right click and just click paste button so that all the files are pasted. As you can see, so these are 4 images files and this is one notepad.java file which is titled ttt1. So now if you want to run program in bin, you just have to open CMD in this folder. So to open CMD in this folder, you have to just select the entire path and type CMD. I will just type CMD and just click enter. This will enter CMD in this folder. So now we have to compile our Java file to create class file, and then we have to run that class file. So create class file of my tt1. We have to just type Java C file name, which is ttt1.java. So it is .java. So now I will hit enter. This will create the class file of my Java file. So I have clicked enter and my class file is created below. As you can see, I will just open this class file now. So this is class file. This is only machine readable language code, so it will be better for us that we close this file. Now we have to run the program. So I will just open command prompt and I will just type Java and ttt1. So I will just hit enter, and this is our user interface of tic-tac-toe game. I have added 2 modes, versus computer or versus friend. So I will just minimize this command prompt now and let's play with computer. So I will just click computer. So as you can see, the tic-tac-toe game board has appeared on the screen. So now let's play the game. I will click here. So as you can see, I have just clicked here and automatically the another player or computer has clicked second image. So this is one. In this way we can play one player game. So I will just click on this box now. So it has created on my computer has clicked here automatically. So I will just click here now. So my computer has clicked here. So now let's win the game by clicking just here and see what's happened. So as you can see, A has won the game. Click reset. So if we want to replay the game using computer only, so we can place the reset button so our data is clear. So in this way we can play the game using 1 player. Now let's play the same game using 2 players. So I will just close this now and I will open command prompt and I will just once again run this code. So and let's close this command prompt. So this time we will be playing my game with friend. So I will just click here. So as you can see, Y image has appeared on the screen now. But not A, because it is 2-player game. So now it is player 2 chance to play the game. So player 2 will click here. As you can see, then player 1 will click here. Now let's create a player 1 will click here, player 2 will click here. So now let's finish this game by winning A. So this time y has 1 in player 2, and the same pop-up has appeared on the screen that y has 1, click reset. So if we click reset, or the tic-tac-toe board will be get clear. So this was our small demo of my project. So if you are really interested to make your own tic-tac-toe game, you can just message me on Instagram. My Instagram ID link is in description. So I have also enjoyed this game with my friends. I will just show you the output of that game. So these are two output of my images that I played with my friends during the college time. So, to change the images in our program, I just replace these images by that images, and just simply run the program using command prompt, and that worked for me. So this was our small demo of tic-tac-toe game using Java. Here comes the end of video. Thanks for watching this video.